In this video, I'll show you how to add safe zones to your videos in Filmora 12. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, let's begin by adding some stock footage to a timeline right about there. Once we do that, I'll keep the project settings. Now, this particular video is just right there. Looks good and everything, but let's assume you want this video to go or be watched on television. You need to have safe zones activated, and the reason for this is you don't want any content cut out because some televisions end up cropping stuff and you don't want that. That is why safe zones are important. And to activate safe zones, just click on this preview quality and display settings tab and then click on show safe zones. Once you do that, you'll see the zones applied right about there. And what this means is that anything inside here is going to be displayed on any media whatsoever. Now, for the media outside these selections here, it may or may not be displayed depending on the display that you're showing that particular video on. But if you'd like to add some safe zones to your videos so that you know that everything is available, then that is how you do it. I hope this video is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.